It is 3:22 a.m. and we have now hit the second step of the basement. This is literally the most water at 2:58 a.m. That is, I'm hoping, as high as it's gonna get. Yeah, the water is not clean. That's definitely probably sewage water that has come up. It's like brown or dirty water, I don't know. But pumps are still working. I've gone and checked outside. So, yes, this is what we got going on here. It's really the worst I've ever seen since we bought this house in 2010, and we've had a few floods, but this is the worst. We've never had this much water in the basement, and it's insane. I hope this never happens again. All right.